Hey, what's going on YouTube? This is Jock Wakefield with another video. And what I want to get to into today is by how you can make anywhere from $100 to $300 a day, depending on your work ethic. This is my new blog right here, as you can see. And how you're gonna do that is you're gonna go right here to my mail order programs tab, right here. And you're going to see my programs that I had to offer. All you got to do is go to either one of these programs here and you click here, and then the PDF is going to come up to one of my mail order programs. They're very simple. They're easy to do. You know, the directions explains everything. Simple. Not going to have any problem. You just got to follow the directions. You mail out every single day. Not every single day, but I mean every single week on a consistent basis. But you know, it's some people that do mail every day. But I don't know if you got the marketing budget yet to do that. But you know, if you do, that's cool too. But you definitely want to stay consistent and mail out every week. I will tell you that. And that's just about it. And also you want to navigate through the blog and check out my other pages and stuff like marketing resources. I've been really working hard on this because my YouTube channel is not just about promoting opportunities. It's also about giving y'all good quality traffic, not bot traffic, real traffic that you can start driving to your offers and hopefully start getting some conversions and some sales. This page is going to continue to be frequently updated. There's some real good traffic sources on here, so you may most definitely want to check that out. You know, I got online programs, even more online programs on my online programs 2 page. I got survey sites, and I want to get people to realize, you know, how to profit from leverage. That's a real good page to read. This blog is fairly new. I think my blog is only like 12 days old. I used to have another one, but now I got this one. So like I said, you can easily make $100 to $300 a day joining one of my mail order program opportunities and just market it every week on a consistent basis, or every other day, every day, just however you want to do it. And I gotta preach that you want your downline to do the exact same thing, because in mail order, duplication is the key to having a successful mailing team. So that being said, go check out the blog, check out some of my amazing income opportunities, whether it's offline, online, because I have both. And this blog is not finished yet. I want to add some more pages down here. Eventually I will get to that, but this is what I got right now. So this is a blog that's up and running, but it's still under construction because I want to make it better and better and better. So with that being said, click on the link to the blog below, subscribe to my channel, and click that notification bell, and y'all have a wonderful day. Bye.